We've all been there. You walk into a business and it isn't quite what you thought it would be, or perhaps it's much better. Well, now, thanks to Google, businesses can show you all they have to offer, and several companies right here in the Bay Area are already on board. This is Benedetto's Italian restaurant. With one click, Street View technology takes us inside. You can check out the layout, the decor, and cleanliness without ever stepping foot in the restaurant. Google uses only Google trusted photographers who capture 360-degree panoramic virtual tours like this one at the Lucky Dill Deli in Palm Harbor. Matthew Bullock is a Google trusted photographer right here in the Bay Area. He applied for the position to do this 2 years ago. It took a while, but he got the job.
It's very exciting, to be able to see, our name on a virtual tour online on Google. I mean, it shows up on the Google search results for both, the Google Maps, Google Plus page, and also we have a link back to Google's website so that business owners can find us. So it's pretty exciting to have your work kind of available all over the world.
Aside from just a virtual tour, there are also several photos highlighting the storefront and what it looks like inside. Coming up later tonight, though, they say a photo is worth 1,000 words. Well, how about that 360-degree tour that's available 24/7? We'll talk to businesses about what it takes to get camera ready. In the Web Center, Rachel Davis, Bay News 9.